Okay, so this is a the pattern for a fancy pen holder that, if you get those really nice pens and you want to put in something pretty nice and you want to give that to a gift to somebody, and even maybe have the ability to like put like personalization. You can personalize it here on the flap that folds over. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, tape it to some leather, and then start punching out the holes. The holes are 6 millimeter spaced, and you can either use like a 1 millimeter or 1.5 millimeter hole punch. So I'm going to do that now, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so I got all the pieces, holes punched. Now I just need to cut them out, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, and so here it is, finished product. So I stitched. First, you stitch the ends. So these 3 stitches, these 3, just to bring it down. And I folded this piece of leather here. I folded just to give it a crease, and then I started stitching down, around, and then back. And I could probably bevel that and burnish it a little bit here on the sides, but I wanted to show you how it is just now that I finished it. Yeah, it's a nice simple pattern, easy to do if you wanted to, like I said, present a nice pen to someone. Let me show you, open it up real quick. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, so it's just a pen. This is just a regular, just under 6 inches pen, and it sits pretty nice. The strap on top is a little bit narrower near the end, so it fits nicely through the little keeper. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you that, and this leather is probably 4 to 5 ounces. It's a little stiffer. I did make one with thinner, probably 2 or 3 ounces, and this one was a little bit too flimsy. I wasn't too happy with it. So the stiffer, thicker leather, I think it makes a big difference in how it ends up. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah. So it comes together a little bit nicer. I did this 2-tone with the green and the brown. This reminds me personally of my dad, and he used to work for the National Park Service, and so just the colors remind me of his uniform. So yeah, came out nice. I think it would look good with almost any color. Maybe just like a blues with a nice accent color keeper could be pretty cool. But yeah, go ahead and enjoy the pattern. If you have any questions, let me know.